Hey, true salute. I welcome for football in Pidgin. After match, look at how you see them. Manchester City 4 and Chelsea 0. And we get our God praise. We be like, we'll get Chelsea fan. We'll get person make and tell us about how he see this game. Oga praise. Chelsea last match for Premier League against Man City, they lose out. This one now FA Cup, Chelsea don't lose 4-0. Now, how you see this performance from Chelsea today as a Chelsea fan?
The truth is that they're not the hider. Say the truth and shame the devil. For this season, Chelsea no balance. So they cannot even wage even them Arsenal. You can see almost all the teams they beat them. Not be changing of the coach with the issue, but they say now be the issue. So the job like this same thing happened to Man U before, whether they change coaches. You person when buy Chelsea they cause the problem, we don't know. Therefore, what I see for this season, Man City play ball by Chelsea. Two of them you cannot argue. Because these three winning when they don't win us. 2021. We don't do them two like that. We'll win them for league. Because we win them for FA Cup semi-final. Because we win the carry Champions League. So it's not new. Now just, I cannot say that injury be the problem. Now just, waiting there now, it's like they don't want the coach. They play against the coach.
So to you now, Chelsea players, they don't down tools. They want me to sack the coach. So now why did they play the way they play now?
For now, for waiting I see, they don't do Mourinho this same thing. When Mourinho they Chelsea. When they go bring another coach, Chelsea say where Mourinho for stop, he pick up. Then they get Lampard, where be Englishman. They don't say dual. When they bring 2K, I see he pick up. They understand. They don't see do this guy again. Where coach FC Porto, you know him. That Portuguese coach, where coach FC Porto, Villaboas. They call Saka, they call leave the assistant coach, which is Di Matteo. So all these things, the Chelsea problem that they come, now similar like this we see. And I go bet you before I come out from here. If they change the coach now, you go say the players go do well. They go do well. Not be say play. Secondly, the new man will come, he was confused. So for me, Chelsea not good for now. Any team can beat Chelsea. So forget how they die at Chelsea, still 14 Chelsea since 1996 till now. I'll be say maybe so you understand. So what I want to tell you now, they play past us.
So but I want to ask you now about you say you don't say we be Chelsea fan, you don't say you be old timer like we call up area. So but may I ask you about the transfer where Chelsea they do? We see player like young player where they come from Molde, maybe like saying our own African brother Ivorian. Destro for Fana, David Destro for Fana. We don't see about the Santos, Santos, the Brazilian, when be like saying a midfielder too, and the defender will come from Monaco. How you say this transfers where Chelsea they make? As a Chelsea fan, you they impressed?
Sorry. All those one no fit solve the problem with the ground now. You don't understand? You want your buy people January begin blend them, make them pick up. The main one thing when I still see, maybe I still look that side though. Some of our key players injury. So we dey count their James, it affect us, but people look at say nothing, a lie, we now can still do without those people. But we know that they be the pillar of Chelsea, and they be the heart. So as an odd day, they affect us. So and even our coach will come out and not support them, when they go sack. So as for me, they don't want this coach. I just the truth I dey tell you. And for now, any team wey beat Chelsea, not be good, not be news to me, not be new thing to me. So normal thing.
Okay, may I ask you now, Oga Praise? You don't think you dey see now? How high you dey predict say Chelsea go finish this season?
If I with Abego for my side, I even want more manage Europa, more manager, more dey 6th or 5th. But for that 4, I know say we not go there. That's the truth. It don't happen before, not be today start. So I dey beg for Europa, but we dey 10 now. And 10, you know, say if now Roman Ibrahimovic night day, that guy will get that Russian guy. But that's sack this guy.
But don't use helicopter take come. You know, say Mikel talks anytime we use the helicopter take come, you know, say the coach don't go. So Oga Praise, before I will let you go now, you as a Chelsea fan, you dey confident say any trophy dey for Chelsea by the end of the season?
No. They don't come on mind for anything, even that Champions League come on mind. You understand? Maybe we feel reach higher semi-final or quarter-final, but take to lift am, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's not possible.
All right, now I got praise. My country people, now lawyer boy across where they lawyer like lawyer me. I say make I thank una as we take watch this our content. But make you don't forget to show us love. Press that subscribe button, like our content, and make you share it with your friends and family. And also the way you go take follow us for the different social media platform, they for the description for inside this video.